Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you are new here, then make sure you subscribe Amending Oneself. Today I am here to conduct an online quiz on component of food. Basically, this will help you to strengthen your knowledge on component of food. This will help you to revise your content. This is from chapter 2 class 6. Okay, here I will ask 20 multiple choice question. Okay, all the best. But before we begin the quiz, let's go through the instruction first. The instructions are: take a notebook and pen or pencil, whatever you want to write with. Okay, you can choose blank piece of paper also. You have to note down your correct answer in your that piece of paper or your notebook. I have allotted 1 minute for each question, 60 seconds for each question. Each question carries 1 marks. Okay, I have asked 20 different questions. It will carry 20 marks and quiz will be of 20 minutes. All the best. Let's begin. The first question is: iron found in human body in which place? Okay, you have to tell. Options are: option A bones, option B blood, option C hair, or option D all of these. Four options are there. You have to select correct one. Option A bones, option B blood, option C hair, or option D all of these. I repeat the question: iron found in human body in. Four option, select carefully. Time is running out. This is the timer. It will be shown in every question. Tick on. Time's up. Question number second. Two richest known sources of edible protein are. Options are: option A soybean and groundnut, option B some algae and microorganisms, option C meat and eggs, or option D milk and leafy vegetables. Options are: option A soybean and groundnut, option B some algae and microorganisms, option C meat and eggs, or option D milk and leafy vegetables. I repeat the question. The question is: two richest known sources of edible protein are. Time's up. Question number 3. Fish is high source of blank. Options are: A protein, B fats, C vitamins, or D minerals. I repeat the question. The question is: fish is high source of. Options are: option A protein, option B fats, option C vitamins, or option D minerals. I repeat the question again. Fish is high source of. Four option, choose wisely. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe Amending Oneself for more such videos. Time's up. Question number 4. The question is: which of the following nutrient is provided by vegetables? Options are: option A fats, option B sugars, option C minerals, or option D none of these. I repeat the question. The question is: which of the following nutrient is provided by vegetables? Options are: option A fat, B sugars, C minerals, or D none of these. Time is running. Time's up. Question number 5. Select the component that is obtained only from the plant sources. I repeat the question. Select the component that is obtained only from plant sources. The options are option A carbohydrates, option B protein, option C roughage, or option D vitamins. I repeat the options. Options are A carbohydrate, B protein, C roughage, or D vitamins. The question is select the component that is obtained only from plant sources. Time is running. Select wisely. Time's up. Question number 6. Ghee and butter are major sources of A. Protein, B. Fats, C. Vitamins, or D. Minerals. I repeat the options. Options are A. Protein, B. Fats, C. Vitamins, or D. Minerals. The question is ghee and butter are major sources of. Select from the options. Time is running out. Time's up. Question number 7. Choose the cereal among the following. Option A mustard, option B almond, option C wheat, or option D grain. I repeat the options. Options are A mustard, B almond, C wheat, or D grain. The question is choose the cereal among the following. Hit the like button if you like this question or quiz, obviously. Time's up. Question number 8. Select the one that is rich in proteins. I repeat the question. Select the one that is rich in proteins. Options are A. Cucumber, B. Gram, C. Wheat, or D. Maize. I repeat the options. Options are cucumber, B. Gram, C. Wheat, or D. Maize. You can also comment the hardest question you found in this quiz and the easiest one also. And you can also comment the level of this quiz in the comment box. Time is running up. Time's up. Question number 9. Carbohydrate and fats containing food are called. I repeat the question. Carbohydrate and fats containing food are called. Options are A. Protective foods, B. Fibrous food, C. Bodybuilding food, D. Energy giving food. Think about it. Choose wisely. Select only one answer. Options are A. Protective foods, B. Fibrous food, C. Bodybuilding food, or D. Energy giving food. I repeat the question. The question is carbohydrates and fats containing food are called. For answers, select one. Time's up. Question number 10. Food rich in refuges are. Options are A. Fried foods, B. Pulses, C. Noodles, or D. Fruits and vegetables. I repeat the options. Option A. Fried foods, B. Pulses, C. Noodles, or D. Fruits and vegetables. I repeat the question. The question is, food rich in refuges are. Time is running out. Come on, boys. Boys and girls, sorry. Question number 11. Mainly pulses are the sources of. Options are A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Fat, and D. None of these. I repeat the question. Mainly pulses are source of. Option A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Fat, and D. None of these. Very easy question and direct question. Then to choose wisely. Time's up. Question number 12. Guava is a source of which of the following vitamins? Options are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D. I repeat the I repeat the options. Options are vitamin A, B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin C, or option D, vitamin D. I repeat the question. The question is, guava is a source of which of the following vitamins? Four options, among them one is correct. You have to select that one. I'll give you 3 seconds more for this question. TikTok, time's up. Question number 13. Very easy question. Starch is a. Options are carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein, D. Vitamin. I repeat the options. Options are A. Carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein, or D. Vitamins. I repeat the question. The question is, starch is A. Select from the following. Time is running out, boys. Options are A. Carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein, and D. Vitamins. Time's up. Time's up. Question 14. Protein is A. Options are A. Protective foods, B. Fibrous food, C. Bodybuilding food, or D. Energy giving food. I repeat the option. Protective food, fibrous food, bodybuilding food, or D. Energy giving foods. The question is, protein is what? Select from the following. Very easy question, remembering based question. Options are protective food, B. Fibrous food, C. Bodybuilding food, or D. Energy giving food? Time is running out. Time's up. Question number 15. The fat soluble vitamins are option A vitamin B and vitamin C, B vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E, C vitamin A and B, or D none of the above. I repeat the option: vitamin B and C, vitamin A, D and E, C vitamin A and B, or D none of the above. Fat soluble vitamins. Time's up. Question number 16. Find the odd one out. Options are A. Maize, B. Sugarcane, C. Grass, or D. Cotton. Very interesting question. Options are A. Maize, B. Sugarcane, C. Cotton, or C. Grass, or D. Cotton. Sorry. Find the odd one out. Choose wisely. Very interesting question, huh? Very interesting. I'll give you 3 more seconds for this question. 3, 2, 1, up. Question number 17. Which of the following foodstuffs does not contain protein? I repeat the question. Which of the following foodstuffs does not contain proteins? Options are egg white, B. Curd, C. Chana, or D. Rag. Option A. Egg white, option B. Curd, C. Chana, or D. Rag. Which of the following foodstuffs does not contain proteins? Time's up. Question number 18. Which nutrient can be identified by using copper sulfate and caustic soda? Options are A. Carbohydrate, B. Protein, C. Fats, or D. Vitamins. Very easy question. Which nutrient can be identified by using copper sulfate and caustic soda? Options are A. Carbohydrate, B. Protein, C. Fats, or D. Vitamins. We have done this in our class, right? Remembering based question, very easy question. Time is running out. 1 second left. Done. Question number 19. People who may suffer from following may have too much sugar in their blood. I repeat the question. People who may suffer from blank may have too much sugar in their blood. Options are A. Diabetes, B. High blood pressure, C. Obesity, or D. Rickets. We have also discussed this. People who suffer from blank may have too much sugar in their blood. Select the correct one. Options are A. Diabetes, B. High blood pressure, C. Obesity, or D. Rickets. Time's up. Question number 20. Excessive intake of sodium may lead to blank. What? Options are A. Diabetes, B. Typhoid, C. High blood pressure, or D. Anemia. I repeat the question. Excessive intake of sodium may lead to. Options are A. Diabetes, B. Typhoid, C. High blood pressure, or D. Anemia. Last question. Try to score 20 out of 20. Time's up. My name is Ashok Wagela, guys, and I thank you very much for this watching, for attending this quiz. Answer key of this quiz will be available in the comment box as well as in the description after 30 minutes of this live quiz. Okay? Till then, stay tuned. I again thank you very much. Have a nice day.